Crypto Bro here with the Crypto Bro Show. Welcome back to another hot Crypto Bro video, guys. In today's short, quick video, I'm going to show you guys 5 things you can look out for when trading meme coins on Dex Screener. That way you guys don't get completely wrecked, just like this coin got completely wrecked over here. But before we get started, I do have to let you guys know the channel is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. It is a part of educational content. Should always consult a professional for legal advice. Once again, this is not financial advice. With that being said, guys, a lot of you guys are over here on Dex Screener trying to trade these meme coins, and a lot of you guys get wrecked, and you end up, being down 60, 70, even 90% on a coin. And I'm going to show you guys a few tips and tricks on how you can spot these obvious meme coins that are going to rug on you. All right, guys? So we're going to use this coin as an example here. This coin YZY, all right, created about 23 minutes ago. Now, what do you guys see here in the top right-hand corner? Now, obviously, right now there's a warning. This pair has very little liquidity, but that wasn't always there. This pair had decent liquidity, but it got pulled out. Also had a very nice fat market cap. You guys will be able to see that, but that video is uploading right now. So it's a rather long video, so it's going to take a while. And I imagine some of you guys are probably not going to watch it because it's too long. So I wanted to make a shorter version of that video. So one of the things that you guys are going to look out for is right here, guys. There's no banner. All right. Now I'm going to show you another coin. We go over here to Dex Screener. Sort by market cap. Just so it's quick, we're going to go to Trump coin. As you guys can see, Trump coin has a banner / an image. Now this right here, the reason why this gentleman doesn't have one is not because he's so bad at graphics, but because it actually cost about 300 bucks to have that there. So the fact that he didn't pay the 300 bucks shows you that, one, he doesn't have 300 bucks, or he just doesn't care because he's going to rug it on you in a half hour. So that's usually the case. So watch out for that. As you guys can see, Trump coin has a banner. It's got socials. It's got a website. It's got a Twitter. This coin has no banner. It's got no website. It's got no Twitter. And if you look down at Trump coin, you'll see there's some engagement over here. You guys see this? The engagement. This is people clicking on this, right? If you guys look down at this one, there's only 2 clicks. One of those clicks was me. So as you guys can see, there's no website, there's no banner, there's no engagement. Another thing you guys are going to look out for is over here. You're going to pull this up, and you're going to go to the transactions. As you guys can see, this was created 24 minutes ago. Now, anytime a coin gets created, a decent scam guy, what they're going to do is they're going to load up their wallet, right? They're going to load up multiple wallets with a various amounts of different Solana. And what they're going to do is they're going to trade their own meme coin back and forth. They're going to buy low, sell high, all that good stuff to themselves to kind of get that market going. Now, as you guys can see, I came over here and I created some filters. You guys can do the same thing. All you guys got to do is click over here, and it's going to give you the option. Now I put 1 penny as the minimum buy, and then let's put $1 as the maximum buy. And I'll explain to you guys why I did this. Now if you guys will see this, 15 minutes ago, there was somebody that bought 30 cents worth. That's correct, 30 cents worth. And when it comes to Solana, that's going to be 0.002 worth of Solana. Okay? So I want to ask you guys this question, right? When you guys buy a meme coin, let me know in the comments below. When's the last time you bought a meme coin and you bought 30 cents worth of the meme coin? And you're just thinking to yourself, all right, yeah, this coin looks good. Well, how much should I buy? Just buy 30 cents worth, 0.002. Literally 0.002. Nobody buys 30 cents of a meme coin. You guys at least put it in, like, I would hope, like 30, 40, 50 bucks, a couple $100. You know, there's guys that put in millions of dollars into Trump coin, and they made millions of dollars back. Like let me show you guys that. Right? So top traders on Trump coin. Right? This guy literally bought 1.4 million. He sold for 6 million. He's up 4.6. So there's people that put in millions of dollars. Obviously, this isn't your average guy at the water cooler at work, but there's people that do it, and they make millions and millions of dollars back. Watch, this guy put in 100K. He made 1.7 million. Okay, so you mean to tell me that there's guys putting in millions and 100K, but over here they're just buying 30 cents worth? Does that seem authentic to you as the viewer? Let me know in the comments below if that seems authentic, because to me, that doesn't seem authentic. And the only reason you would do this is to make the transactions, to make it seem like there's more transactions. You know what I'm saying? Because if there's only like 10 transactions, well, the average guy is going to see, hey, man, there's only 10 transactions. I'm not buying into that. So they have to fake this. Look, multiple examples here of them buying 1 penny worth. 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those 10 buys, that's 10 cents right there. But they're faking all these transactions and they're making it look good. So that way, when you see this, because for the most part, a lot of people just don't do that much research on meme coins. You guys will see something and it'll show you some crazy number over here, right? Like a lot of you guys will come here and you'll sort it by like the number, right? And you'll see like some crazy number and you'll be like, oh, this thing is up 17,000%, and you'll ape into it, right? You'll buy a large amount of it. Next thing you know, you end up buying over here. You see this little red arrow? This is the majority of you guys. You guys don't buy in right here. Okay, this is the dev in all his other wallets. That's the dev. That's the dev. That's the dev. Right? This is you. When you bought, you bought right here, and that guy noticed you bought because it's all public. It's all right here. So he's like, oh man, let's see. Let's put in a decent amount here. Let's see if anybody bought 200 to 300 worth. All right. So he's probably sorting it, and he's like, oh man, okay, we got a few people. They bought some. They put in a couple sold. Next thing you know, he decides, okay, I made enough money from this project that doesn't have a website, a Twitter, or a Telegram. He presses one button on you, right? Let's see. And then he sells on you. Boom. Drop. 64% drop. And then he pumps it up again just to make some of you, because some of you guys will think, oh, okay, it's not totally over, man. I'm going to buy the dip. Some of you guys end up buying the dip. And then you get completely wrecked, as you guys can see. Down 99.99%, $25 of liquidity. There's no transactions in the past 5 minutes. Okay? Look at that. So look, in the past hour, there was 6,765 transactions. You guys see that? With 700,000 of volume, which is really just a few Bitcoins. That's like 6 Bitcoins. But to the average guy, this looks very impressive. So the average guy will see this. He'll be like, oh, man, this is good. It's got transactions, bro. It's got volume. It's got all these wallets. Next thing you know, you're buying the top. You're buying right here, and you're getting completely wrecked. So, guys, watch out for those things, guys. Watch out for no banner, no website, no Twitter, no Telegram, no Discord, no engagement. Watch out for the fake engagement over here. Once again, you guys can do that very easily. Go to transactions. Type in 1 penny. Type in 2 pennies as the max. And if you see a lot of this, stay away from the coin because it's being artificially inflated. If you like more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon.